We're going to head to Indiana because it's got a 35-minute wait. We've not done Indiana before. So let's find the standby line for Indiana. Let's go. It's a 35-minute wait. Just then.
One final word of advice.
The ride's broken at the moment. And we're stuck in the room with the video.
Very dangerous.
And the lady just said
Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near.
This over and over again while we sit here because they can't turn it off.
If you avoid the eyes of Martha.
So that's going to be fun. We have to see how long it's going to take to get back up with them.
2,000 years later.
Hello. Oh, my friend. The brakes may be needing a little adjustment. Even on the curves.
You have chosen path. This path leads to timeless youth
And real.
You look in my eyes. Your path now leads to the gates of doom.
Oh.
Quick, take the left hand. It's the only way out. Nice driving.
Snakes. You guys are all alone.
Out here. You made it. Back up.
Ready?
Not bad. Tourist. Now, stay out of trouble, will you?
Right, Indiana Jones done. What did you think, Bob?
Oh, I loved it, yeah.
Yeah. Well, so we've been on Dinosaur before, so we knew what to expect with the car, but I think it was a bit more, what's the word, violent? Violent sounds a bit wrong.
Vigorous.
Vigorous than Dinosaur. But I don't know if that's just me misremembering Dinosaur. It's been a little while.
Yeah.
Who knows?